In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download the Robinhood app on your laptop, step by step, so you can have full access to your Robinhood account right from your desktop. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have Microsoft Edge open on your laptop. It's important to note that this method works specifically with Microsoft Edge, so using other browsers like Chrome or Firefox may not give the same results. Once you have Edge open, go to the official Robinhood website by typing the website address in the search bar and pressing enter. Make sure you are on the official site to avoid any scams or unofficial downloads. Now that you're on the Robinhood website, look to the top right corner of the browser where you will see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From the options that appear, find and select Apps. After clicking Apps, you'll see the option that says Install this site as an app. Click on that, and a small window will appear asking you to confirm the name of the app. You can rename it to Robinhood for easy recognition or leave it as the default. Once you've done that, click the Install button, and Microsoft Edge will start installing Robinhood as a standalone app on your laptop. After the installation is complete, you might notice that the Robinhood app doesn't immediately appear on your desktop or home screen. Don't worry, there's a quick fix. Open the newly installed Robinhood app, and once it's running, click on the 3 dots at the top of the app window. From there, select App Settings. In the App Settings menu, you will see the option that says Create Desktop Shortcut. Click on it, and a shortcut to the Robinhood app will now appear on your desktop. This means you can access the app directly from your desktop without opening a browser every time. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully downloaded and installed the Robinhood app on your laptop.